Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Ushaba, the General.
Thank you, Stivo.
Yeah.
Stivo Nzomunye akhuluma ngama 3-3 watwathi.
Yeah.
If we rewind,
yeah,
the last time.
Sure.
Bekune 3.
Yeah.
Kune 3 points.
Yeah.
Beyipilonga kuphi?
Pirates.
Exactly.
Yeah.
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 Sizoyiphinda futhi.
Again.
History will repeat itself. Number 2. Number 2.
Sokhuluma enhliziyo
Abantu bami base next door.
Yeah.
Abayazi le feeling. Baqala uyizwa. Ne top 8 bazoqala ukuyibona this year. Abayazi lento. Intsha. It's brand new to us. So look, Mamela, they're saying they're going to win the league.
Yeah.
Their mathematics is not
Mathematics.
Hlangana. Last Sundowns ngishiya 1 point. Angishika kakhulu. So hlangana. Football has no therefore.
Yeah.
Izawudibana.
Yeah, sure, General.
Thank you.
Sesivala sibuyela kancane egamini. Igame yethu le beyimnandi kakhulu. iChiefs idlalile. TS Galaxy idinga ukuthi improve kakhulu. Ibhola edlala TS Galaxy lipho kakhulu goalkeeper uyayikhosta i-team. Bekungenasidingo sokuthi uphume lapha, at least khuluma ne defender yakho. Uyabona? But well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs intwana ezingenile second half zitshintshile igame, and then into engiyithandayo ngabo ukuthi ngayisho besabuya e-striking ngathi igame le is very important ukuthi ni win, and bayiwin ngathi amagame alandela nizowawina. Ngifuna ukuthi by the time kufika idabi si experience idabi e-best, and yiyo lesiya kuyo le esizoyidlala, because i-performance edlalwa i-Kaizer Chiefs manje and then the way Pirates idlala ngakhona akekho otho omunye emncane kunomunye la kuyobe kukhishwana inkani nge-26. So I'm happy Makhosi, I'm happy indlela endlala ngakhona, ngihappy le support futhi nilo nayo. Yes, pressure into ekhona, not to say ngiyifeel pressure, but then omunye nomunye uyafeel pressure, because omunye nomuntu udlalela isport adlalelayo akekho ongafeel pressure manje, akekho umuntu ongekho busy manje. So wonke umuntu akuphi nama socks, ngibonga nje support eMakhosi bonke azile egamini nokusiphatha kwabo. Siyabonga bafowethu ngathi ngasupportana kanje.
Thank you, Shaba.